Well, since I built my layout, I thought I'd make a little video of how I function at my new small work area, and then show you my train cave and what I have in there. This space here in the foreground is where my original workbench was. But you can see the layout's taking up most of this corner of the basement. There's my pitiful little work area. Well, it was worth giving up the large area to get a nice layout. I think I'll be happy here. Everyone's got a train cave. This is my cave. This is my first layout. It's fast track. But I have all my cool looking stuff on here. Like my Drover's caboose Gene made for me. And of course the hanger. And over in this case I have my dampened steaming locomotive. Up here I have some of my larger things. My switcher, my Western Pacific, and the Southern Pacific. I think I'm going to move those down the road. I'm just not into that size stuff anymore. Over here is my, all these are all original. They've just been cleaned up, haven't been molested with. And here's the old-timey 252 my wife found. I got it set up in a little place of honor. Of course I got my tanks. I like tanks. And over here I just ran these Alcos down here in the bottom. I think I'll just put them away. I'm not a big East Coast road name fan. Same with the New York Central. The Pennsylvania, actually the Pennsylvania is my Frankensteam. It's my locomotive I made from parts. Everybody's seen Frankenstein. And I got haven't run this one, this Burke. Then over here, here's all my runners. These are all the trains I run. Now that I got a layout, I'll be running every one of them. One way or the other, they've all been, most of them's been restored except this top track here. This one here is all original. It's all the tin plate cars. Of course, Vader's steam down there, that one's been totally redid with all the Vader cars. Got a 226E, 726, 736, an OK4 Pacific, 2055. You know, all the regulars. Everybody's got these. There's nothing rare in here. But I thought I'd just give you a little taste of how I function. There's where I spend a lot of my time, right there. So that's it. That's the Kelly Train Cave.